فظيعة الفيديو. But when I saw the video of my children, and especially Eham, I feel that my heart is not with me anymore, and I feel that just there with them. I never felt that feeling before. I didn't have it before. It's a complete emptiness inside here.
وين حلا مش مبينة في الفيديو؟ العيد فرحة. وين ندى؟
Actually, there's no words to describe what is the meaning of not being able to hug the children when they are in this situation. I want to take them and put them inside my chest and close the chest on them and keep them there, safe.
When did you last see them?
I think 3 days ago. It was dark. It was at night. So I asked them just to please, one, to put the flash on the face, and one, to talk with me. You know, I can see the faces at least. This is Hala. This is Nada. She has this like humanitarian like side in her. Like, Eham is another story.
بنظف البرميل.
ليش بتنظف البرميل؟
عشان هنحط فيه مية عشان نستفيد من الماء.
It doesn't even ring. No one.
Oh.
I'm not sure actually if I'm going to see them again or not, and this is the hardest thing that sometimes I think about, and then just no, Amani, don't think like this. You will be able to see them.
هذا شكل مربع وله 4 رؤوس وله أضلاع.
I'm sorry, it's just like, it's not easy actually. I'm trying to be strong.
Of course.
That's it.
Of course.
It's complete loneliness here, just to be seeing them.